So here we start chapter number 3, matrices. Matrices is a plural form of matrix. So now the question arises, what does a matrix mean? Matrix का मतलब क्या होता है? So what is matrix? Matrix is nothing but a special type of arrangement of numbers. Numbers may be real or non-real. It can be trigonometric function, polynomial, etc. So matrix is a special arrangement in a square or rectangular manner. I explain it what is it later. A rectangular manner. So matrix is the special arrangement in a square or rectangular manner of numbers, may be real or non-real. Trigonometric function, polynomial, etc. Okay, so for example, let me have capital letter A is being used for denoting matrix. Matrix A will be written under these brackets where we can have 1 2 3 4 5 6, या फिर another matrix we have B 1 2 3 4. ये भी एक मैट्रिक्स है, ये भी एक मैट्रिक्स है. इस तरह से जैसा आपने डेफिनेशन देखी अभी कि एक खास तरह के अरेंजमेंट में जब नंबर्स को हम लिखते हैं इन दो बड़े ब्रैकेट्स में, तो इसको बोलते हैं मैट्रिक्स. इसको भी मैट्रिक्स, इसको मैट्रिक्स, दोनों के एक साथ मैट्रिसेस. अब इसकी कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज हैं, वो आपको समझने की ज़रूरत है कि इसमें क्या क्या होता है. एज यू कैन सी वी हैव इन फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स ए वी हैव फर्स्ट रो, second row, first column, second column, third column. So पहली वाली मैट्रिक्स में हमारे पास 2 रो हैं और 3 कॉलम हैं. While moving towards matrix B we have R1, R2, C1, C2. Here we have only 2 rows and 2 columns. So now our next heading starts order of matrix. So order of matrix is nothing but what we have just gone through. What is that? The number of rows in a particular matrix multiplied by number of columns in the same matrix is called order of matrix. So order of matrix is the product of number of rows and number of columns. For example, in this matrix A we have number of rows 2, and then product means multiply by number of columns means how many are there? 3. So we will multiply it later, but this product is basically called order of matrix. And you need to be very careful while writing order of matrix. First you need to write row, and the second is you will be writing column, not like column first or row second. Row will be always at first. So now total number of elements in a particular matrix. How many? Just product of order. So A is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6 elements. Elements means numbers. Elements 1 2 3 4 5 6 manually we can count, and multiplying this order 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. So this is total number of elements in a particular matrix is equal to 6. While we take the example of second one, B, how many rows? 1 2, 2 rows. How many columns? 2. So 2 2 ja 4. In this particular matrix we have 4 elements, as you can count it directly also. Now the next is the location or the position of a element. Position or location of an element. We just gone through matrix B 1 2 3 4. As you can see, we have 4 elements. So any element, so as we call it, this particular row as R1 and this particular row as R2, this particular column as C1 and this particular column as C2. So the position of any element, for example, 1 will be denoted by small letter A and suffix I and suffix J, where suffix I denotes the current row, and J denotes the current column. So in this case, as we have taken element 1, 1 will be equal to A1 1. So A is 1 in this case, and 1 denotes that 1 lies over row 1 and 1 lies over column 1 at the same time. Similarly, element 2 can also be denoted by A first row, 2 lies in first row and then second column. Like 3 is denoted by A. Now we have started second row and then first column. And similarly 4 will be denoted by A. This now we have reached to second row and then second column. So A2 2. So this particular notation A1 2 2 1 1 1 2 2 like that, this all these things are called the location of positioning of the elements. So now this we have completed. Now very important, we are going to start the next topic, that is types of matrix. This is very important to understand the properties of this matrix. So now what I was telling, the types of matrix. Types of matrix, the first thing we take it as a square matrix. You need to understand the meaning of each word. Matrix, as you are clear about it, that is the arrangement, special arrangement in a rectangular or square manner of the numbers. Numbers may be rational or irrational, or things, or maybe this functions, trigonometric functions, polynomial, etc. Now the word square, new word has been introduced here. So what does it mean? So that you need to understand. Square means you are knowing the length is equal to breadth in simple sense. So now in matrix sense, what we all mean to it. So let us know. So for example, I take the same matrix. B matrix is equal to 1 2 3 4, or matrix A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so in this case, as we have studied, what is the order of matrix B? Order of matrix B is how many rows? 2. How many columns? 2. So you can write 2 into 2, 2 power 2. This power 2 is called as square of 2. So whenever I is equal to j, number of rows equals to number of columns, such matrices are called square matrices. This is square matrix A. Now in case of B, in this B we have taken. So in case of A, number of rows 1 2 3. So order of matrix A 3 into column 1 2 3, 3 column. So this also can be written as 3 square. So whenever you use this particular word square, that means this matrix is square matrix. Means what? Number of rows equals to number of columns. Number of rows equals to number of columns. Such all matrices are called square matrix. I hope it is clear now. Now we move towards our next segment, next type, that is row matrix. As its name, from its name it is clear, when there is only single row, that matrix is called row matrix. For example, we have matrix 1 2 3. So we have only single row, but we have column 1, column 2, column 3. So the order of this matrix A is equal to 1 into 3. So whenever any of these two, then the first means first is what? Row. When the rows are equal to 1 only, means there exists only one row in any of the matrix, that matrix is called row matrix. Next is column matrix. Just opposite of this. When there is only single column, but rows can be many. Such matrices are called column matrix. So order of this matrix B is equal to how many rows? 3. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Clear? So you can see from here, when rows equals to 1, matrix is called row matrix, and when columns equals to 1, matrices are called column matrix. Now the next one is, which is very important among all these, identity matrix. Many times in JEE etc. other technical examination, in MCQs this question has been asked. What is identity matrix? Sometimes it is confusing also if you are not clear about it. So I write first matrix A 1 0 0 1, matrix B 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So now what you can see, order of this matrix 2 by 2, order of this matrix 3 by 3. So there are two things for any matrix to be identity matrix. The first thing is that matrix must be a square matrix, and all the elements on the diagonal all the elements on the diagonal must be identical, that is one only. And second thing is their position must be identical. Identical means same. What does it mean? I tell you. For example, we take this one. What is the position of this one? We will denote this one by general way: A, first row, and then first column, A1 1. What I was talking about, these surfaces must be identical, same. That means in this case I is equal to J. Take this one. So in this case 1 will be equal to this third row and then third column, so it will be denoted by A33. So now you understood, for any matrix to be called as an identity matrix, it must satisfy these two conditions. First thing is it must be square matrix, means order must be identical, same, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4, and so on. And the second thing is the elements lying on the diagonals must be identical, and other elements must be 0, all must be 0. And then the one more sub part of this condition number 2 is that the positioning surfaces must be same, that A11, A22, A33. In some cases I give you one concept where students make mistake while writing this identity matrix. What is that? Sometimes they write it this way: 0 1 and 1 0, as they understand that okay, sir has told that this all the diagonals elements are identical and non-diagonals elements are 0. So this is also same thing. But what is the difference between this matrix and this matrix? You take this one, its position will be written as A. This, what is this? First row and then column number 2. So this I is not equal to J. So the condition number 2 is not satisfied, though it is square matrix 2 by 2. Its order is also 2 by 2. But these surfaces are not identical, so it cannot be identity matrix. So for identity matrix, now you understood what all things we need: diagonal elements 1, identical elements 1 1 1 1 1 only, and non-diagonal elements are 0. And the second thing is this all positioning of these elements must be identical: A11, A22, A33, A11, A22, like that. So this is all about identity matrix.